Enhances nighttime visibility, boosts safety, improves off-road aesthetics, increases vehicle awareness, and provides durable, energy-efficient lighting for rugged outdoor adventures. My today's video is about top 5 best compact off-road accent lights that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Auxbeam Cube Z Series 4-inch LED pods lights. Auxbeam 112W LED pod lights deliver outstanding brightness and precision with a powerful 12,800 lm output and a long-distance beam reaching up to 468 meters, ensuring superior night driving visibility. The combination of flood and spot beams, along with 6500K white and 3000K amber lighting, provides both wide coverage and focused illumination for diverse driving conditions. The added DRL and turn signal modes enhance road safety while improving vehicle style. Built for durability, these lights feature an IP68 waterproof die-cast aluminum housing, making them resistant to rain, dust, fog, and harsh off-road environments. The efficient cooling system and EMC design ensure stable performance and a long lifespan of over 50,000 hours. Installation is simple with a plug-and-play DT wiring harness included, compatible with a wide range of vehicles like Jeeps, trucks, ATVs, and SUVs. With versatile mounting options and Auxbeam's 2-year support, these lights offer reliability, performance, and value for any off-road enthusiast. Now our second product is Texshiny 4 PCS Car LED Lights Interior Wireless. This 7-color LED interior car light is a compact and versatile lighting solution designed to enhance both style and practicality inside vehicles. Featuring 6 built-in RGB LED beads, it delivers 7 vivid color options: white, red, green, blue, yellow, pink, purple, and ice blue, allowing users to easily customize the cabin atmosphere. The colors are bright and clear while remaining soft enough to avoid eye strain, making nighttime use comfortable. Its touch control design adds modern convenience, enabling quick operation with a simple tap to switch colors or a long press to power on and off. Installation is effortless thanks to the magnetic base and adhesive metal plate, allowing users to attach or remove the light instantly without tools. USB rechargeable functionality ensures portability, with a quick 40-minute charge providing around 2 hours of use. Beyond cars, it works well in storage areas, wardrobes, bedside lighting, or backpacks, making it a practical multi-use illumination tool for everyday needs. Our third product is LaSauce Full LED License Plate Light. These LED license plate lights are a powerful and practical upgrade for Chevy and GMC trucks, including Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, and Escalade models. Designed with 18 high-quality 3014 SMD LED chips per lamp, they produce a crisp 6000K white light that is up to 300% brighter than factory bulbs. This dramatically improves rear visibility at night while maintaining a clean, modern look without affecting the backup camera view. Installation is extremely simple with a plug-and-play, non-polarity design that takes around 15 minutes and requires no modifications. The CAN bus-ready system ensures stable performance, error-free operation on most vehicles, and no interference with onboard systems or radio signals. Built from flame-resistant PC material with an IP65 waterproof rating, these lights are made to withstand harsh weather conditions while offering a long lifespan of over 50,000 hours. Overall, they provide an excellent balance of brightness, durability, and easy installation for a safe and stylish upgrade. Now number 4, Nightlight LED Pods 2 PCS 18W1260LM Spot Off-Road Lights. This 18W LED light bar set delivers a strong and focused spot beam, powered by high-quality LED chips that produce a crisp white output of 1260 lumens. The concentrated beam pattern is designed to extend visibility to longer distances, making it highly useful for off-road driving, foggy conditions, and nighttime travel where clarity ahead is essential. One of its standout features is the adjustable mounting bracket, allowing up to a 45-degree tilt. This flexibility makes it easy to fine-tune the light direction based on terrain or driving needs. The die-cast aluminum alloy housing ensures excellent heat dissipation, helping maintain stable performance and extending the lifespan to over 30,000 hours. With an IP67 waterproof rating, the lights are well protected against dust and temporary water immersion, ensuring reliability in harsh environments. The universal fit design makes installation suitable for nearly all vehicles. Overall, it's a durable, efficient, and versatile lighting upgrade for both utility and off-road use. And our last choice is Winswan LED lights for car accessories interior. These LED car interior light strips are a stylish and entertaining upgrade for drivers who want to enhance their vehicle's atmosphere. Designed with an extra-long cable, they fit a wide range of cars, trucks, and SUVs easily. The built-in high-sensitivity microphone enables music sync mode, allowing the lights to flash and shift colors with the rhythm of your favorite songs, creating a fun, energetic, and romantic driving experience, perfect for night drives, road trips, or special occasions. With multiple color options and full DIY control through an app, users can customize their interior lighting to match their mood or event. The lights are flexible, waterproof, and easy to install in tight interior gaps, making setup simple and visually clean. USB power ensures safer operation with lower heat compared to traditional adapters, while app control eliminates the hassle of losing a remote. Overall, it's a versatile and eye-catching interior accessory ideal for personalizing any vehicle. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.